Oh, this is going to be a fun one, y'all. You got to stay tuned and see if the olive oil or the butter turned out better. It's Papa's Kitchen. Yeah. Air fryer, corn on the cob. First, we're going to try 4 corn on the cob with using olive oil, and then we'll do the next 4 with butter, and we're going to see which one is preferred. And our seasoning will be Uncle Steve Shake Gator Shake, where the link is always down below. Get you some. Alright, so we got our olive oil. Oh, let that look pretty. Just like so. Alright, top on, bottom on. We're gonna go almost to a 4. 15 minutes. See you in 15 minutes. Alright, there's our 15 minutes. I don't know if you can hear that sizzling. Yeah. That looks awesome. This is the one with the olive oil. This is one we're going to put butter on it like that. We get some of that awesome Uncle Steve Shake on there. Gator Shake. Gator Shake. Alright, I'll get the other one set up and be right back. Alright, there we have it. It's all heated up. 15 minutes. Almost a 4. Bottom on. Be back 15. Alright, there's our 15 minutes. Woo! Sizzling. Here's how that one turned out. Alright, here in just a minute, we're going to do a taste test and see if there's a difference, if there's not a difference. Look at that goodness. Yeah. Alright, so we're going to go with the olive oil one first. I love that part. Spot on. And that Gator Shake. Motorcycle. Alright, which one do I prefer? I like them both. This one tastes normal. This one, you can taste a little bit of butter in it. Again, if you have any interest in this shake, Gator Shake, kind of Cajun-y in there, really good on anything, even popcorn. Link will be down below. You can go check out the link, and there's other flavors also. Alright, it's another edition. Papa's Kitchen and the air fryer. See ya.